Hey guys, what is up? It is Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on day 25 of 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN. I can't believe we're almost done. We're really getting down to the end here, guys. And yesterday we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is so insane. Thank you guys so much. It was my goal to hit 1,000 before the month was up, and we did it. It's all thanks to you guys, so thank you. I really appreciate it. Today we have a super fun one for you. It is a zombie Marilyn Monroe, which I thought was such a fun idea by this artist Marcus Jones on Pinterest, and I fell in love with it immediately. I knew I wanted to recreate it. It's so cool. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Before we jump into it, please give this video a like. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications because you don't want to miss the videos that I have coming up. And let's just jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is take this white face paint, and I kind of just wanted to map out where the clothes were gonna go before I did like the whole green skin thing and got that all over everything. So just doing that first. Now we're taking that green cream paint and just slapping that all over everything. We're gonna blend that all around. We're gonna do the neck, the arms, and yeah, I was a little stained after, but it was okay. Now we're taking this Ben 9 neutral setting powder, my favorite. I literally just dump it all over everything and just spread it around with a brush. You don't want any sticky parts. And once I was done with that, I'm just filling in the brows a little bit with some black. This is gonna be like a pop art look, so we're just doing everything black. So now we're just taking a black eyeshadow and kind of making the shape of her eyes. Now some black paint for the lips. Giving her those round Marilyn Monroe lips. And just filling that in. Now I'm just adding the little details that the drawing had, which I loved. She has like these stitches and all these like drips and everything that I thought were super fun. I'm just taking that black shadow again, just kind of shading everything, giving it a more depth, and then just adding a little pop of white to the lips. Now we're just adding the little stitches. I feel like it's kind of giving me like Frankenstein bride vibes, which I love. Just shading them a little bit. Adding some more cracks and small details, and then just giving some dimension to the nose as well. Now we're doing some more of like the pop art style stuff, so some pop art shading. We're kind of just sketching out some bones and stuff. It doesn't have to be super clean lines, like it can be super messy and fun, and I really loved that part. And I'm just giving some shape to the face, some more pop art style shadowing on the side of the face. And then some just random shadows and stuff to the dress and arms as well. I really love pop art because you can kind of just do whatever and it looks cool. And adding some white to the stitches just to make them pop a little more. Making those lips pop. Adding my favorite Eldora lashes, you guys know already. And then the classic wig. I feel like I wanted to do this look because I already had this wig and I was very excited about it. Then I popped in the white contacts just like in the photo, and that really pulled the look together. I really hope you guys like it. I feel like this is one of my favorites that I've ever done, and I usually don't like my looks at all, so the fact that I really like this one, I was really excited about that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments as well. If you want to see the picture of this and all my other photos, you can check out my Instagram. And if you want to see some videos of this and all my other looks, I do have like a weird TikTok with lots of weird, crazy videos on it. So yeah, and make sure you give this video a like if you liked it. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications. It really means a lot to me that we got to 1,000, and I really appreciate you guys. Tomorrow we have a special video with Spirit Halloween, and it is me like actually talking through the whole look, so it's not just a voiceover, it's like me actually talking through the entire look. I feel like you guys could follow it and have a lot of fun for Halloween, so make sure you subscribe and check that out. and I'll see you guys tomorrow.